Hey everybody, it's Sanford. I'm here at my grandmother's and her mower won't start. So the battery's good. Let's dig in and find out why this ain't starting. Before I do anything, let's take this hood off. Got gas like always. It turns over. That's good. Good on oil. No start. The battery's tested good. Having trouble getting this started. There it is. Now, let's see what happens. So, I'm going to turn you off. Nothing. I think it might be the safety switch. I ain't getting a good ground. Alright. I'm gonna apply it to ground. There we go. That'd be better. It'd be better if I turned it all the way on. Nothing. Alright. Let's try it down here. See if it's getting power. Can't see what I'm doing. Let me bring y'all back. Sorry about that, folks. It's one of my grandmother's neighbors. What I was trying to do is test the starter solenoid, see if it has any power going to it. Where's another ground? Alright, let's see. Does it have power? No, it doesn't. Huh. Make sure that's off. Oh, I see. Everybody, you see what I see? The blades were still long. I don't know how I missed that. Let's see what happens. Oh, something simple. Ain't nothing wrong with the mower. That easy, that quick. How about that? These are 3/8. Your model might be different. Some of them might have a flat slot or a Phillips. Sometimes people put different bolts in because they lose them. These job smarts are pretty good for their worth. Don't over tighten them, just snug them up. Now let's see if this thing runs. I got the parking brake on. Yep. Blades off. Choke. There you go. Well, that was the easiest job. That was the easiest. So, well, I'm going to go over a few things. Make sure you got gas. If yours has a valve on it, make sure it's on. Make sure it's oil in it. Check when you turn your key to the on position. Check from battery to solenoid. See if the solenoid is getting any power. And then check from here with ground, with the battery, with the key turned on. If this lights up, it's getting power. But sometimes it could be your blade switch might be bad, your brake switch might be bad, or your seat switch might be bad. So, and there's also a fuse. Different years have different fuses, the amperage. So you're going to have to figure that out. And make sure your battery's in good shape too. Go take it to any parts store and get them to test the battery. And sometimes if you're getting power and this thing spins but won't start, check your spark plug. If it's not the spark plug, it could be your ignition coil. Ignition coil could be bad. That's all I can do right now, and I guess I'll talk to y'all later. Have a good day.